Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today BiomX Inc. PH just filed an 8K, and I am seeing a move that could shake up their drone testing capabilities. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is making a significant acquisition that brings in new technology and sets them up for a potential bigger move down the line. So what is going on here with BiomX Incorporated? Well, they have just filed what is called an 8K report. Think of this as a way for companies to announce major events that shareholders absolutely need to know about right away. And this one is about a pretty interesting deal they've made. On the 5th of August of 2026, BiomX entered into what they call a share purchase and option agreement. Essentially, they are buying a piece of another company called M.E.A Testing Systems Ltd, or M.E.A. M.E.A is based in Israel and is developing advanced systems for testing electric motors. This is a big deal because electric propulsion is super important for drones and other unmanned flying machines, a growing area in defense. BiomX sees this as a way to boost their ability to support advanced defense systems. Now, to understand this deal, we need to look at who is involved. Motomova Inc. is a company traded over the counter, and they own most of M.E.A. The other party in this deal with BiomX is M.E.A Ventures LLC. M.E.A owns a big chunk of Motomova, so BiomX is buying 10% of M.E.A from M.E.A. They are also getting 10% of M.E.A's affiliated company in India, if that company is not already a part of M.E.A. What does BiomX have to give up for this? They are paying M.E.A's $50,000 in cash, and giving them 1.3 million shares of BiomX stock. But here is a crucial part. This deal isn't a done deal yet. It needs approval from the NYSE American, and M.E.A has to sign a licensing agreement. This agreement would give BiomX a worldwide license to M.E.A's technology, including their drone testing solutions. This part is huge because it means BiomX can immediately start using and developing M.E.A's innovations. But it gets even more interesting. This agreement also includes an option for BiomX. They have until the 30th of June of 2028 to decide if they want to buy the rest of Motomova's stake in M.E.A and M.E.A India. This would mean BiomX could end up owning almost 79% of the whole company. Now, the price for this option is interesting. BiomX gets to choose how it is calculated. It could be 2 times the M.E.A company's net revenue in 2027, or 4 times their EBITDA, which is earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, also in 2027. This gives BiomX flexibility and a clear path to potentially a full acquisition. If member performs well, the payment could be in cash, BiomX stock, or a mix of both. And while BiomX is considering this big move, M.E.A has agreed not to shop M.E.A around to anyone else. They cannot entertain offers from other buyers during this option period. This really locks down the situation and gives BiomX time to do their homework. This filing also touches on the fact that the shares being issued as part of this deal are not registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. This means they are being sold under specific exemptions, like Section 4 at 2 of the Securities Act, which is typically for private placements where the buyer is sophisticated and doesn't need the full protection of public registration. Like most filings, there is a section on forward-looking statements. These are basically statements about what the company expects to happen in the future, like the benefits of this deal, the license they are getting, and the option itself. They include a disclaimer that actual results could be different due to risks and uncertainties. Companies have to do this to protect themselves legally. Finally, the filing lists the exhibits. The most important one here is Exhibit 10.1, which is the actual share purchase and option agreement. This is where all the legal nitty-gritty is detailed. And at the end, we have the signatures. This confirms that the company officers are attesting to the accuracy of the information. Michael Oster, the Chief Executive Officer, signed off on this report on the 11th of August 2026. Now, looking at this from a broader perspective, BiomX is making a strategic move to bolster its presence in the aerospace and defense sector, specifically in areas related to unmanned aerial platforms. The market cap is currently around $2 million, and the stock price is quite low at $0.17, trading within a wide 52-week range. This acquisition, especially the technology license, could be a significant catalyst if they can successfully integrate it and if M.E.A's technology proves as valuable as anticipated. The company has been posting net losses, for instance, a net income of negative $19.14 million in the first quarter of 2026. This acquisition signals a pivot towards growth and potentially new revenue streams that can offset those losses. The option to acquire the remaining stake is a powerful tool for future growth, but it hinges entirely on M.E.A's performance in 2027 and BiomX's own due diligence. The fact that they are issuing stock for this deal also means potential dilution for existing shareholders, something to keep an eye on. The risk I am watching is whether BiomX can successfully integrate M.E.A's technology and business operations, and if M.E.A can meet the performance metrics that would trigger the full acquisition at a favorable price. My biggest concern is the company's current financial health and whether they can fund future growth and operational needs, especially if the option is exercised. What I am actually looking for is a clear path to profitability driven by these new capabilities. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. Like this video and subscribe for more insights, and join our Discord community.